If you're interested in grading your cards, you can contact me at Kiel Santos or scan the QR above. We grade PSA, PGS, and TAG. So thank you guys for your support. Back to the video guys! Meron naman tayong bagong return guys. And it's a batch 54 of PSA return. Oh my god, nabutas yung iso. All goods, all goods. Simulan natin dito sa stack na to. First, Emu from OP13. Then PSA 10, Japanese Nami, Manga Nami PSA 10. So if you're interested in grading your cards, you can contact me at Kiel Santos, or you can scan the QR kaninang intro natin guys. Next, Manga Sanji PSA 10. PSA 10, another one for ang ganda pala ng texture. Iba kasing texture ng God Pack guys kumpara sa normal AA nitong mga Gorosei. Then yung pinapirma ko guys, Lu ay Ash with the Sarah Auto 10. Nice one. Then the Japanese Manga Luffy. Wait guys. Nasa video ka. Say hi to the vlog.
Kanina ganyan, tito.
Hi ka muna, hi ka muna. Pakita ka muna sa hi.
Hello.
Ayan guys. Wait lang.
Hey.
Ano yan? Next one. Another stuff. Ayan. Hindi kasi naka-zoom eh. Lydian. PSA 9. Pikachu. PSA 10. Togetis. PSA 9. Reshiram. PSA 10. Goku. PSA 10. Warcury. PSA 10. Luffy. Sayang, PSA 9 lang to. Bakit kaya? Hindi pa sentro. Tapos Snorunt. PSA 8. Lang yan. Another one. Gorosei na naman to. Si Nojuro. Nojuro. Sino ba to? Basta PSA 10. Pikachu. Indonesian Pikachu. PSA 9A. Trevenant. PSA 9. Polymerization. PSA 8. Another Pikachu. PSA 8. 9 pala. Then, what do you call this? Jupiter. PSA 10. Manga Sabo. PSA 9. Walang yan. Drippy. PSA 9. Zekrom. PSA 9. Another Zekrom. PSA 9. And last is the Boa Hancock. PSA 10. So, yun lang guys sa batch 53 natin. So, kung gusto nyo pang magpa-grade guys, you can contact me at Kiel Santos. And meron na lang tayo regular Express at saka Super Express walkthrough kung merong may gusto sa PSA. Then BGS base Express priority meron din tayo dun. May CGC din and tag. Yung tag, yung mahal na lang. Yung CGC, 2K per slabs. So, yun lang guys. I hope you enjoy my video. Click that notification bell to keep you updated. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Peace!